I'm about to open it now. Alright, you guys, so I just got back. Now I'm about to finally open this box. I did not open it. I'm opening it. I'm opening it now. Alright, so let me just show you what the box looked like actually. So it just got a shipping label. It says Shea Moisture on the side. So I'm about to open the box. I got this box today. They sent me the track. I got the email that I was gonna get this box on the 25th. Today is the 30th. Alright, y'all, look at that. Alright. This is what the first part of the box look like. This is this side. I'm just showing y'all everything. I just want y'all to see everything as I'm about to open it. I'm about to open it now. OMG. OMG. Okay. So first, what comes in the box? My boyfriend is here. Okay. So
hello, boyfriend here.
Okay, so I think these are the products that they included in here. So the first product is Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo, Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair. Damn, babe, why did you do that? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to do that, but damn. All right, and then we got Curl and Shine Hibiscus and Coconut Curl and Shine Conditioner, 100% virgin coconut oil conditioner, daily hydration conditioner, and then we got a silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. That's what has been included. All right, and this is what they included in here. And then it just got Shea Moisture Story that we all know. Girl, look at this box. First of all, this is a nice box. This is a really cute box. Like, it has all of the, I'm guessing, ingredients that they use. That's really nice. This is... Alright, so as y'all know, I am your 2019 SheaBassador. Turn up. Okay, so here is a lot of information that I'm sure that y'all want to know. So this is what it says, SheaBassador 2019. Congratulations and welcome to the class of 2019. Alright, so here's a message from the founder and CEO. Okay, let's just go ahead and start what this is about. This part. So, expectations. Based on whether you're a SheaBassador, Shea Mom, or Shea Dad, you will be receiving approximately 8 to 10 boxes this year. Our requirements once you receive these boxes is to post content around the products you've received. Content/posts include video tutorials, unboxing, displaying product, using product, sharing product with family and friends, and or ratings and reviews on the product. This is all I ever wanted to do. Okay. Oh God, it's so good. Okay. Based on the type of content you post, you will earn points. Below is the outline of how many points you receive for each type of content we ask that you post within 3 weeks after you receive your box. And I got it today, so I think I'm already ahead of the game. All right. So content. I get 10 points for sharing a photo of this month's SheaBassador box. Instagram only. 10 points, 10 points, Instagram or YouTube, photo or video of you using your Shea Moisture products you received. 10 points, Instagram or YouTube, a post of you using Shea Moisture products with friends and family. 50 points, Instagram or YouTube, a video tutorial about how to use the Shea Moisture products you received. And 15 points, rate and review current Shea Moisture products online. And so I have to use these, I'm so excited, I can't even talk. I have to use these hashtags with the post, SheaBassador and Sundial Brands Partner and SheaBassador Contest. All right, and so also the points mean that the person by the end of the year, December 31st, 2019, will be named SheaBassador of the Year and Shea Mom, Shea Dad of the Year. Me and a guest will also win an all-expense-paid trip to New York City, which includes airfare, hotel, tour of Sundial factories, makeovers, and a dinner with the Sundial member family team. some of our family team members. All right, y'all. So there's the tea on it. Now let's get into what is in this box.
Turn up.
So, first what we have, I see a brush. First and foremost, here's a brush. It says Shea Moisture right at the bottom. Nice little brush. Wooden brush. I have a Shea Moisture brush. I never thought I'd have one, and here I am. Oh, this is the first product, y'all. Okay, so this is Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. These new labels are actually pretty nice, actually. Because look, it says it encapsulates your hair in a rich essence of calming honey. The old bottles definitely don't look like this. And it even has pictures of what it looks like. I need a better camera. But it actually has pictures of what it is on there. I like that. Let me smell it. Y'all, I can't believe this. Oh, that smells good. Come smell it. Smell it.
Hold up, let me get my face on camera. I'm getting a whiff of jasmine, rosemary, coconut.
Are you really?
Argan oil. Very, very interesting smell. I like it.
He's a goofball. Okay.
Make sure you put that in the video.
Okay, so this is the conditioner. You know what? Actually, let me show y'all the one that I got, and we can actually compare how different these labels are. Hold on. All right, so this is the one that I just got, and this is the one that I've been had. All right, so first, obvious differences. I really like this one much more. Like, it has, I like the fact that they got the pictures on it. I really like that. Like, it gives you, like, you can see what it is. And even right here, because I never knew what, if I just looked at this, I never knew what, I'm guessing this is how you say it, Acacia Senegal. I'm not sure what that is. But it gives you a picture right there to see that it must be some type of flower. So I really do like that. And then the same thing, the coconut oil and the coconut milk. And then right here, leaves hair in a light coastal coconut breeze. This bottle don't got that. But those are the main differences. It seemed like they grouped it together by what's in it and the ingredients. And then how to use it, the story of Shea Moisture, other important things that you might want to know. I really love the fact they got pictures on here now. Let's go to the next one. We still have 3 more products to take out. So let's look at this one. I think this might be my favorite design. Just because, like, it's dark, but it has this nice yellow. Like, the yellow before, it looked like this, but this yellow just looks a little bit more richer to me. You know what I mean? This also has a picture of what black castor oil, or the black castor plant, I'm guessing, looks like. And then it also has peppermint, castor oil, shea butternuts. I love these new labels, for real. We got 2 more to look at. Oh, okay. So this is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Conditioner. Now, when I first started using Shea Moisture, like 4 or 5 years ago, this is the line that I started using. Like, I remember I know for a fact I had the Curl Smoothie and the Gel Souffle. So me and this product really go way back. Like, I can smell this product right now, and honestly, it just takes me back. It's crazy, but it just takes me back. Look at that. It smells so good. It always smelled like that bubblegum medicine. Y'all know what I'm talking about? That good, I don't know. It just always smelled like that to me. Bubblegum medicine from when I was a kid. And then I started using it in high school, so I just get a double whammy of nostalgia. So this is the last product. I've never used this one before, and this is a silicone-free leave-in treatment with marshmallow root. And so, like the others, this label includes what's in it, the main ingredients, and then it has sugarcane, meadow form seed, and marshmallow root. Now, I'm familiar with marshmallow root because it's another brand that uses it in their gel, and I love it. Like, I love marshmallow root. So I'm actually kind of excited to try these. Now, if you know my channel, you know my Instagram, you know that I have a TWA right now. So I'm not sure how I'm about to incorporate all of these products in my hair routine, but we gonna find something. And honestly, yeah, I needed a new one of these. So Shea Moisture, y'all came right on time, girl. Let's just go back over what we got today. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and our brush. There's all of the tea, you guys. I'm gonna come out with another video soon.
Yeah, shout out Shea Moisture. Shout out everybody that be watching her YouTube. Shout out to y'all, man. Everybody subscribe and shit, man. Lazy Natural Clubs, we're going all the way with this shit, man.
Alright, girl. Alright, girl. So anyway, y'all, I don't think y'all understand. This is all I ever wanted. Like, not all that I ever wanted, but like the fact that Shea Moisture is really sending me products right now.
Shit, crazy.
Like, it really is. Like, this kind of just feels like the girl that I was when I first cut my hair. Like, she's really excited right now. Like, I just feel like this is just the beginning of something great. Even if this is the only box I get, I always wanted Shea Moisture to send me some products, man. So everything happens for a reason, though, at the time that it does. Look at that box. Y'all know that shit is beautiful. Wow. Okay, so anyway, like I said, I am your 2019 SheaBassador. And y'all can best believe y'all gonna be seeing me everywhere. Period. Taking over worldwide. Alright, y'all. So catch me in the next video, probably pertaining to this, so I can earn my points. And so yeah, I'll be back with another video eventually. Thank y'all again for all the support and all the love. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all in my next video.